issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Polk County in central Florida until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Champions Gate, or near Intersection City, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davenport and Lauman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Polk, Florida.